Flames, you heard? You heard? Run it, baby.
What's up, guys? Today we're gonna talk about, what's going on with the build. So we in phase 2 of the build. Right now we ran into the problem with the diff brace. So the previous exhaust we had was the ISR full single exit. The way it was set up, the diff brace would not clear. So, my boy James hooked us up with the custom single exit, the Vibrant Performance exhaust, full 3-inch to the Y, custom Y pipe connected to my long tube header. But yeah, so we had to do that in order to keep the diff brace on. Also, we added a few other things, the motor mounts from Z1. What else? The diff brace is from Z1 as well. And diff bushings, we did the bushings as well, yes. And so yeah, we did that. I think, what else we did? The flex plate, we did a lot in this video. Y'all gonna see, we got some flames, that thoker. You're gonna see that joint shoot them thokers, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, what else? We almost done with the build, really. I think the only thing that needs to be done is the hot side, the intake. Y'all gonna see that in the next video, not this video. But what else? The down pipes, the fabrication for that, and I think that was pretty much it. Yeah, my boy James and Rock Fab, Irvin, Josh, they all they've been hooking me up since the beginning with the build, helping me out. Like, they teaching me, I'm teaching them a few things too as well. And I appreciate them a lot, cause he definitely hooked me up with the exhaust, man. That exhaust sounds so good, bro. It's not even funny. Y'all gonna see. Just wait, dog. Just wait. You know what I'm saying? It's definitely a superior. I know about that superior. You feel me? But y'all gonna see. You know what I'm saying? Stay tuned. Like, comment, subscribe, and let's get to the video.
Torqued to spec, paint markered after we spec everything.
Yo,
Power steering, flush tube. All your fluids in this car.
you feel some power steering? I didn't even ask y'all to do it, bro. Appreciate it. I appreciate it. Appreciate y'all.
Hell yeah.
Hi, my name is Irvin Abdick. I'm a welder and fabricator here at Rock Fabrication. Hey.
How's it going? My name is Josh Val. I am the auto tech here at Rock Fabrication. We got a 2011 G37X in for a bunch of cool things. So far, what we've done, we pulled the front cover off to do a galley gasket job and ended up finding a timing chain tensioner went bad and one of the chains said stretch. So,
It wasn't my fault.
No, not at all.
So, what we've done so far is replace all of the timing components that had failed. A little bit of a preventive maintenance before we had all this horsepower. Let's see, we got engine mounts, diff mounts, subframe mounts, all done. We got long tube headers, a custom full exhaust that's in the works right now.
It's like everything you could think of.
Yeah, there's a lot going on here. Powder coated a whole lot of components, silicone hoses everywhere.
Come on, look at this. Oh my god. I don't even want to touch it.
I really wish we got a good before shot of this car, because everything was nice and rusty and crusty and
And the original reason they came is to buff some headlights.
Literally.
That's really why we came.
That was the first thing.
That's it.
That's it.
Then it turned into a whole hill. Taking the motor apart and
There is literally a whole gallery right
guy came here with a house full of boxes.
now. Yo, I mean,
What are you moving it all?
I was up to Definitely got to take sauce. I'm gonna send it right to your house.
What are we doing next?
Next,
Yes.
we take these ugly intakes off.
All right.
We slap on still in supercharger kit, Soho air-to-air kit, crash bar, oil cooler. You got a tranny cooler?
Yes, yeah.
Oil sandwich plate.
Different tranny cooler?
Yeah, it was the oil was at G Plus, and the other one's Trans.
Cool.
Mishimoto.
Rad in those.
Put the oil sandwich plate with the thermostatic unit in it.
Injectors, fuel system, fuel return, spark plugs. Those still gotta get put in. I'm thinking, we got boxes over here.
What are we doing next
What are we doing next?
on your behalf?
Oh, on our behalf? Definitely gonna have to connect once we put on that intercooler. Definitely gonna have to make new intake piping, depending on how all that works out. Then after that, for fabrication, I don't know. Unless you want a roll cage or something, I don't know.
Unless he wants a roll
Trying to figure something out. We can put a couple of dump tubes here and there, to, weight reduction, all that. We can do a lot of stuff. It just depends.
Hey, who knows, right?
No, yeah, but definitely this is gonna be an awesome build. So super stoked for you guys, and definitely stoked to be working on this. This is awesome. Definitely a
man.
blessing.
Definitely. Appreciate it. Sick build, man. Check them out, guys. Rock Fab.
And they're coming around the corner. What is it, 8?
Now, welders. What are we doing?
About to install.
We about to do it for us? Right now? What?
I gotta get my hanger on, bro. So
Oh, shit.
it's going down, son.
Let me know when to push.
Bring it, you gotta come up. Move that mount. Oh, I got. Come back. Pull all the way. Josh, twist it.
That's all she's got. Yeah, this was the only one.
Easy in, easy out. And they're beautiful.
That's what first picture you would have told me.
Yep.
You used too.
Yep.
Push on the back. No, it's just tight. Taking the turbo or the blower housing off, just the front housing that surrounds the wheel and it inducts the air. Take it off, powder coating that black, and then when we're done altering all the intercooler pipes, powder coating these to match the wheels. They'll look a little better. These parts are all polished for the bracketry for it. Just gotta take this one apart, do it. Give it a nice contrast with some black on gray and tie the whole car together.
Making the dream work, bro. We made it happen. All of us here.
Mississippi, 1, 2 Mississippi, 3 Mississippi, 4 Mississippi, 5 Mississippi, 10. I think I ain't gonna